morning. Today we will discuss about metabolism of carbohydrate, and we will elaborate the function of carbohydrate such as glucose, how this produce energy in our body or in any cell. Organic compound carbohydrate is found in our body as glucose to produce energy. In order to produce energy, there are many steps in oxidative respiration in which oxygen is consumed to oxidize the glucose molecule. This molecule is oxidized to form an energy as ATP. The energy is extracted by cellular respiration. The cellular respiration is completed in 3 stages. First stage of this metabolism occurs in cytosol, known as glycolysis, and the second step of this metabolism occurs in mitochondria, known as Krebs cycle. Today we will discuss in detail about glycolysis, where a glucose molecule converts in 2 pyruvic acid molecule. When we overview the aerobic respiration, the glucose combined with oxygen, the final products of this respiration is carbon dioxide and water plus ATP as energy. The glucose first go through the glycolysis, then the glycolysis product, which is known as pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid enters in Krebs cycles. Krebs cycle produce FAD and NADH2. FADH2 and NADH2 produce ATP to enter electron transport chain. The overall metabolic pathway of all carbonic, or we can say organic matter, is divided into 2 parts: the catabolic pathways and the anabolic pathways. In catabolic pathways are involved in oxidative breakdown of larger complexes. They are usually exergonic in nature. Exergonic means they produce energy, and the anabolic pathway are involved in synthesis of compounds are produced by this reaction or this pathway. They are usually endergonic in nature, means they consume the energy. Metabolic pathways are mostly irreversible, means once the steps occur, it cannot be reverted. Second, every metabolic pathway has committed first step, which is the rate limiting step. Means the first step takes some specific time to start the metabolic pathway. Third, all metabolic pathways are regulated by some feedback mechanism. Means the negative or the positive feedback are regulation of all metabolic pathways are regulated by some feedback mechanisms. Means they have either positive or negative feedback system in the system. In case of eukaryotic metabolic reactions occurs in specific cellular locations, the glucose has four pathways, or we can say that four destinations in the cell or in the body. The first, it can be stored in the body as glycogen, starch or sucrose. In plants it stored as starch, and in animals it is stored as glycogen. The metabolic pathway of glucose, then oxidation via pentose phosphate pathway, it become ribose 5 phosphates, and the extracellular matrix or cell wall polysaccharide is synthesized by this glucose, and the universal pathway of energy production is oxidation via glycolysis. Means the glycolysis converts glucose into pyruvate or pyruvic acid. This is the overall reaction of glycolysis, in which one molecule of glucose converts in the two molecule of pyruvates or pyruvic acid. There are 10 steps in pyruvic acid, in which the first 5 reactions are known as preparatory phases, and the last 5 stages is known as payoff phases. The first step of this glycolysis is governed by hexokinase or glucokinase. There are two enzymes involved in this stage. The first stage, your first step of pyruvic acid is known as phosphorylation of glucose. In this reaction, the glucose molecule is phosphorylated at carbon number 6. The enzyme hexokinase is catalyze this reaction, and glucose convert in glucose 6 phosphate. This reaction is known as first priming reaction. The second reaction of this preparatory phase is known as isomerization. The isomerization means the position of atoms or phosphate in the molecule changes their position. The glucose 6 phosphate convert in fructose 6 phosphate. The both the molecule of the sugar has the total number of atoms equal, but the position of H and OH become change. In glucose, the third carbon atom OH and H position reverse. This is known as isomerization of glucose 6 phosphate. The third reaction or the third step is conversion of fructose 6 phosphate into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Means this is also a phosphorylation of a sugar molecule. In isomerization reaction, the enzyme phosphohexose isomerase is catalyze this reaction, and the fructose 6 phosphate phosphorylated by the phosphofructokinase first, or this is known as PFK first. Energy is required. Phosphate of ATP is transferred to the fructose molecule and ATP become ADP. The fourth reaction, where fructose 1,6 bisphosphate cleave from 6 carbon sugar phosphate to 2 3 carbon sugar phosphatase. The 6 carbon sugar phosphate convert in glycerylate 3 phosphate and dihydroxy acetone phosphate. The enzyme here is aldolase. The fifth reaction of the glycolysis is also isomerization. Here the 3 carbon sugar, or we can say trio sugar, convert in other 3 carbon sugars, glycerylate 3 phosphate, and this ketone sugar dihydroxy acetone phosphate, both are converted into glycerylate 3 phosphate, and we can say in the first phase or a preparatory phase, one molecule of glucose convert in the 2 molecule of glycerylate 3 phosphate. Now the second part of this metabolic pathway is payoff phase. The payoff phase, where this glycerylate 3 phosphate, the 2 molecules are there, oxidized and phosphorylated by glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme, and by the oxidation or phosphorylation, this molecule glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate become 1,3 bis phosphoglycerate, or this is known as also known as 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid. In this reaction, the two molecule of NAD plus converts in NADH2, and 2 phosphate inorganic phosphates produced consumed by this reaction. One 3 bis phosphoglycerate converts in 3 phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme in the 7th phase of glycolysis. And in this stage, the first ATP production take place, so it is also known as first ATP forming reaction, or the first substrate level phosphorylation occurs here in the 7th stage of glycolysis, or 7th step of glycolysis. After this, 3 phosphoglycerate converts in 2 phosphoglycerates. From the 5th reaction, there are 2 molecules, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphates, 1,3 bis phosphoglycerate, 3 phosphoglycerate, and 2 phosphoglycerate. The 8th reaction, phosphoglycerate mutase enzyme is catalyzed this reaction and produce 2 phosphoglycerate, and the 9th reaction is dehydration, and enzyme here is enolase. The one molecule of hydrogen from each molecule of 2 phosphoglycerates releases, and this molecule become phosphoenol pyruvate, or PEP. The 2 PEP molecule produced here, and the last step of the glycolysis is catalyzed by pyruvate kinase. The pyruvate kinase react with PEP. Here the 2 ATP also produced, means the first ATP produced in 7th step, or the last 10th step is also make energy as ATP. The second ATP forming reaction, or substrate level phosphorylation, occurs on these places. This is the last reaction, and glucose converts, or we can say the one molecule of glucose converts in 2 pyruvate molecules. This is the overall glycolysis reactions, where in payoff phase, oxidative conversion of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate to pyruvate, and the coupled formation of ATP and NADH. The 2 molecule of NADH2 2 molecule of ATP here and 2 molecule of ATP here. Yeah, means 4 ATP is produced in entire glycolysis at substrate level, and 2 NADH2 is also produced here, but the energy is required in preparatory phases. Means the 2 ATP in first step and the second step, the first priming reaction and second priming reaction. Means overall energy production of glycolysis is 2 molecule of ATP used, 4 molecule here produce, means overall 2 molecule of ATP is produced plus 2 NADH2 molecule produced. We can summarize the entire reaction of glycolysis as preparatory phase. Step first is formation of glucose 6-phosphate from glucose molecule by the enzyme hexokinase. Hexokinase use magnesium plus 2 as a cofactor and transfer 1 phosphate molecule from ATP to carbon number 6 of glucose. In second step, the enzyme phosphoglucoisomerizes glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 6-phosphate. No ATP molecule is used in this step, hence it is a reversible stage or steps. Step third, in the third step, another phosphate molecule is added at the carbon number first position of fructose 6-phosphate to form fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. The enzyme involved in this process is phosphofructokinase, which utilize